everyone, talking about Chanel No. 5 Eau Premier Eau de Parfum version. The notes in this are aldehydes, sandalwood, lily of the valley, ylang-ylang, neroli, jasmine, rose, and vetiver. So for me, I definitely like this better than the original Chanel No. 5. That's not automatically saying much because I dislike that one. It's just not for me. But this one is more close to something that would be my type of scent profile. Much more bright and citrusy in the opening and less of a sharp way. And it does still have that sharp, almost like cleaning spray like astringency at times, but less so than the original Chanel No. 5. Lots of vintage style florals here with like a little bit of dark undertone that comes in more by the dry down. And if you like the idea of a more modern version of the original with a bit more kind of smooth edges, closer to like what Chanel No. 5 Low smells like, but I like this one better than that one too. I think this would totally be worth trying. On the other hand, I wouldn't go out of the way to try it if you don't really enjoy Chanel No. 5 type of scents in general. About $150 for a bottle, moderate to good longevity and projection, and leans feminine, and I'll link in the description where you can check it out.